Hi, I'm Julian from Maxitech, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the CBus color touchscreen from your wall. We get lots of requests on how to do this because if there's any errors with the touchscreen and they need to be sent to us, people need to know how to remove it from their wall. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. On the units, on the right side, there's a little button that you need to hold down. Once you hold it down, the faceplate will come out and you can put that to the side. The unit on your wall will have 4 screws in each corner. These just need to be removed and then the unit can be pulled out slowly. Once you pull the unit out, you'll see that there will be a couple of cables in the back and there may be others as well. With these cables you just need to pull them out and they'll usually just be the CBus cable and the power. Once those have been disconnected, you can pull the unit out and then send them over to us. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on the number or email below. And thank you very much for watching.